Make sure you're all standing up. Now, let's start stretching. How about with our head first? Oh, good stretch. And then with your face. Now your arms and shoulders. Oh yeah, and then your legs. Some karate chops. Some big swirls. Give yourself a big hug. And we're good to go. Okay guys, welcome back. In our last video, we learned how to use hand signals to help us sing. Let's quickly refresh on what we learned so we can continue up our Solfa staircase. I'll go first, then you try. Hit the music. Do, re, mi. Your turn. Well done. Mi, re, do. Mi, re. Well done. Re, do, mi. Re, do. Done. Mi, re, do. Fantastic! When we sing more than two notes together, we create a melody. The melody is the tune we hear when we listen to music. For example, or this,
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you.
or something like this. Pretty great, right? Today we are going to sing melodies with our beautiful voices and our Solfa hand signals. To fill this star with gold, we need to complete 3 activity times. Are you ready? Let's sing! For this activity time, we have to sing and use the hand signals at the same time. But watch out! Some will be loud and some will be soft. Here we go! Mi, re, do. Your turn.
Mi, re, do.
Well done, quietly.
Mi, re, do. Mi, re, do.
Well done, aloud again. Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Well done. Mi, re, mi. Turn.
Mi, re, mi.
And quietly again. Mi, re, mi. Your turn.
Mi, re, mi.
Super and loud again. Do, re, mi. Your turn.
Do, re, mi.
Well done, and quietly. Do, re, mi. Your turn.
Do, re, mi.
Well done. Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Super. Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Wait, that sounds like a song we might know. Let's sing it again. Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Well done. 3 blind eyes.
3 blind
And then
mice.
quietly this time. Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Well done. 3 blind mice.
3 blind mice.
Wow, well done guys. Woo! So we just learned that mi, re, do is the melody of 3 blind mice. That means if we learn our hand signals, we can make our own secret language where we can share songs. So if we meet out on the street, we can communicate melodies to each other like this. Mi, re, do. I wonder if there are any more songs we can play with our Solfa hand signals. There's only one way to find out. That's activity time! Woo! second. This also sounds like a song we might know. Let's hear it again. Does anyone know what that song is? Feel free to pause the video and figure it out. That's right, it's Mary Had a Little Lamb. Let's see if we can play Mary Had a Little Lamb with our hand signals. I'll go first, then you try. And let's start off loudly, here we go. Mi, re, do, re, mi, go.
Mi, re, do, re, mi.
Well done. Mary had a little lamb. Your turn.
Mary had a little
quietly this time.
lamb.
Re, re, mi, mi.
Re, 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 mi, mi.
Little lamb, little lamb. Well done. Mi, re, do, re, mi.
Mi, re, do, re, mi.
Well done. Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a little lamb.
Mi, re, do.
Mi, re, do.
Whose fleece was white as snow.
Whose fleece was white as snow.
Well done! Super! Now let's try doing all of Mary Had a Little Lamb using our hand signals. Here we go. I'll go first and you can repeat after me. Let's start off loudly. Here we go. Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a little
And then quietly.
lamb.
Little lamb, little lamb.
Little lamb. Little
And then loudly again. Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a little
And then quietly.
lamb.
Whose fleece was white as snow.
Whose fleece was white as snow.
Well done, everybody. Great job. Well done. Woo. Now let's communicate a melody to each other, but this time we sing it inside our head. Like this. Your turn. Well done. Did you hear it in your head? Do, re, mi. Your turn.
Do, re, mi.
Now silently. Your turn. That's amazing. Did you know we can sing any melody we want in our head like this? Let's try singing this Solfa steps in our head with lots of different melodies. It's time for the final, no, not countdown, activity time! Woo! We are on the final activity time of today. For this activity time, you have to imagine the sounds in your head. Let's do the hand signals and hear the notes in our head. I'll go first, then you try. Here we go. Your turn. Well done. Did you hear the notes in your head? Let's check if they were correct.
Do, re, mi.
Well done. Let's keep going. Here we go. Your turn. Super. Let's hear.
Mi, re, do.
That sounds right. Well done. Let's go for some more. Here we go. Your turn. And let's see if it's right.
Mi, re, mi.
Super. Super. And again. Your turn. Well done.
Mi, re.
Oh, perfect. Well done. Another. Your turn. Well done.
Do, re, mi, mi.
Correct. And we'll listen to it.
Mi, do, re, re.
Perfect. And let's check it.
Mi, re, do, do.
Well done, everyone. Super work. Wow, we've just completed all the activity times and earned another gold star. You were absolutely fantastic today. Give yourselves a big pat on the back. Teacher, give yourself a big pat on the back. Well done. In the next video, we are going to make our way up the Solfa staircase and learn how to sing so and la. So until then, keep singing. Bye. We're here at the Irish Institute of Music and Song campus in Balbriggan, County Dublin. Groups visit us from all over Ireland and the world to take part in our music programs. If you like what we do, you can find out more information at our website down below.